In this video, we will look at how to generate QR codes. This QR code can then be scanned by mobile phones through the camera app, and then that will take the user to a specific URL. And we will illustrate how to create multiple QR codes in batch. So for example, here in this text file, we have the following 3 websites. Okay, so we want to generate the QR codes for all these 3 websites, or even more. If you have, you can just add your own website to this text file. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll just upload this text file. Okay, upload this text file, and I'll say generate QR code for each URL in the text file. Alright, so generate QR code for each URL in the text file. Alright, enter. So it generates the code. Then the text file contains the following URLs. Now I'll generate a QR code for each of these URLs. Alright, so it has generated QR codes for each of the URLs and saved them as PNG images, and you can download them using the following links. Alright, or if you want, I can do a follow-up prompt and give me the images in a zip file. So let's look at the one for Wikipedia. Alright, so this is the one for Wikipedia. And if I take my phone app, take the camera app and then scan this, it will actually bring me to the Wikipedia website. Alright, so let's just have a quick look at our the code and what it did. Alright, you see it imports the QR code library to help us very quickly generate QR codes. So with this QR code library, right, we then read the URLs in the text file, and then you have a for loop here which actually iterates through the different URLs, and you see it over here, it adds the URL to the QR. Then after that, we actually get the image back with the make image method. So we have the image, and then we save the image to a file. Alright, so with this QR code, you can actually print it out, put it on a bulletin or a poster for people to scan. And although there are apps out in the internet that also lets you generate QR code, what Code Interpreter allows us to do is that, you know, we can give it bulk URLs and then generate as many QR codes at one shot as we want. So it's very convenient.